Is it a car or a land-based fuselage? Today, we are dissecting the Zhiji LS8. For years, the automotive industry has borrowed aesthetics from aviation. But the LS8? It's different. It's not just about the look. It's about the nervous system. We are talking about the migration of aerospace redundancy protocols into a 250,000 yuan flagship. Let's see if this digital chassis actually flies. That sounds like marketing. But the Zhiji LS8 is making exactly that claim. And not just in design, in control. Because this is not about speed. It's about how the car responds, how it feels, how it connects with the driver. So the real question is this just a concept? Or the headline feature? Steer-by-wire. Look closely. There is no steering column. No mechanical link between your hands and the tarmac. This is pure fly-by-wire logic, straight from an Airbus cockpit. Why does this matter? Precision. At low speeds, the ratio is ultra-sharp. Parking becomes a one-finger operation. But at high speeds, the system stiffens, filtering out micro-vibrations for rock-solid stability. And for the skeptics, the redundancy is surgical. Dual chips, dual power supplies. If one brain fails, the backup engages in milliseconds. That is the aviation gold standard. This is not a traditional system. This is smart steering. No direct mechanical connection in the conventional sense. Instead, digital input, electronic interpretation, and precise output. That means faster response, cleaner feedback, and a completely different driving sensation. But also, a different kind of trust. Because when you remove mechanical linkage, you replace it with software. Then the throttle. Electronic. No physical cable. Just signal and response. This allows smoother acceleration, more precise control, and adaptive behavior depending on driving conditions. It's efficient, but more importantly, it's predictable. Physically, the LS8 is a masterclass in aerodynamics. That silhouette? It's sculpted to cheat the wind, maintaining a drag coefficient that rivals high-performance gliders. Inside, the yoke steering and the massive AR HUD create a true pilot environment. It's minimalist, yet dense with data. Every screen, every curve, it serves the ergonomics of high-speed travel. This isn't just a cabin, it's a mission control center. Now, let's talk about the soul of the machine. When you engage drive in the LS8, you aren't just starting a car, you are activating a synchronized digital ecosystem. The first thing you'll notice? The lack of resistance. But don't mistake that for a lack of feel. That steer-by-wire system we discussed? It's constantly translating the road's geometry into your palms, but only the parts you need to know. It's a filtered reality. As we push into the corners, the magic of the integrated digital chassis reveals itself. Most EVs feel heavy. They feel like they are fighting physics. But the LS8? It feels like it's negotiating with it. The rear-wheel steering acts like a rudder, pivoting this 2.5-ton frame with a surgical, almost eerie precision. And then there's the electronic torque vectoring. It's not just about speed. It's about authority. The car monitors each wheel's grip thousands of times per second, shuttling power exactly where it's needed to pull you through the apex. You aren't just a driver anymore. You're a systems controller. It's a driving experience that feels weightless, clinical, yet undeniably powerful. It's the sensation of a high-performance jet, cruising at low altitude, locked onto its trajectory with absolute, unwavering control. The market is crowded. We have the Neos, the Teslas, the Xiaomis. But Zhiji is playing a different game with the LS8. At this price point, offering a fully redundant, steer-by-wire architecture is a bold move. They are betting that the modern consumer wants engineering substance over gimmicks. While others focus on smart screens, IM Motors is focusing on the smart skeleton. It's a risky bet, but a sophisticated one. Tesla focuses on software. Chinese brands focus on rapid innovation. Zhiji is focusing on control systems. And that's a very specific direction. So, the final verdict. The Zhiji LS8 is a bridge. A bridge between the mechanical past and a digital, aerospace-driven future. It's precise, it's redundant, and it's unapologetically technical. If you want a car that feels like a gadget, look elsewhere. But if you want a machine that feels like it was engineered by flight technicians, this is it. I'm Ava, and this was the technical breakdown of the LS8.